Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info, and I'm going to show you how to insert new cartridges in CANON Pixma MG2550S. So here you have the inks door, and you can open it by pulling it out. When you will open it, as you can see, here we have our cartridges and they are moving in front of us, as you can see. Now it's here. And to remove them, just press on it and pull it out. This was black and this was colored one. As you can see here, we can use replacement inks. This printer works with replacement inks, so I really love CANON devices because of it. And that's cool, that's it, and we can install it again. So here we should install the colored one on the left tray. Then when it will be installed, I know it's very difficult to see something here. When you will install it, so just press it up, so you should pull it up, okay? And then do the same with the black one. Okay, that's it. Then close the doors, wait a while, wait until this LED stops blinking, and then try to copy something. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching, like this video and bye, see you!